Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is obviously plug it in. I've got it plugged in. And then you want to flip the switch and have it heat up for about 10 minutes. So right now it is, let's see. Right now it's 5 till 12, so at 5 after 12, I'll go ahead and pour the candy in there. And I've got my sweet tarts crunched up. They're not crunched up real good, but I crunched them up a little bit, and I think it's okay if I just crunch them up a little bit and pour them in there. Because it does say on the instructions that you can put whole pieces in there, but I don't want to do that because it might mess up the insides of the spindle there, and plus it would be hard to clean. So I don't want to do that. So I'm crunching up the sweet tarts as we speak. Alright. Crunching them up. So I gotta wait 10 minutes and I will come back and we'll pour the candy in. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. So I'm gonna turn off the spinning wheel so I can pour my candy in there. I don't feel safe putting it in there while it's spinning. It just doesn't feel right to me, so I'm gonna switch it off first. Let it stop spinning. Alright, it has stopped spinning. I'm going to pour my candy in there, like evenly around the little spindle. And I'm going to turn it back on. There we go. And then you get your little stick out, and it should start. Again, this is my first time doing it. But it should start spindling out like little spider web pieces of candy. So all I'm doing is just spinning this stick, cotton candy stick, and hopefully it will start to grab the stick here in a minute. And we'll have some cotton candy. And I'm starting to see some flying around here. I might not have enough candy in there. Let's see. Maybe I should try this. Might not have enough in there. I don't think I have enough. I do not see any cotton candy coming. So, I'm going to try something else. Okay, so now I'm going to try some nerds and see if that'll work. It says use 1 scoop that came with the cotton candy maker, so I've got 1 scoop of nerds and I'm about to pour it in. It says do not overfill the center. Let's see. Okay, we're going to turn it back on and try it again. There we go. I think it's going to work this time. Weird. Oh, it's working. It's working. I can see it. It's working. Wow. Wow. Cool. It's working. So I got nerds in there. So that'll, in case anybody's wondering. Got nerds. Wow, it's coming out. It's coming out good. Coming out pretty fast. Here's what it looks like. Close up. Cool. Oh, shit. This is my first time, as you can tell. Let's see. Wow. This is cool. This is cool. This is really cool. I didn't use very much, just like a little teaspoon. Like 1 teaspoon. They came with the cotton candy machine. I don't know why it's white though, because I have a rainbow of colors in there, so I'm kind of wondering why it's white. But anyway. It's still coming out. Cool. Still coming out. think that's got it. It's still coming out. Yep, it's still coming out. Alright, I think I'm going to turn it off and taste it, see what it tastes like, and I'll let you guys know what I think. So here's what it looks like, just so everybody knows. Looks like real cotton candy. Here goes the taste test. That's good. I'm sure you can get different flavors. It tastes a little bit bland, but I can taste a tinge of flavor in there. Tastes kind of bland. But this is my first time, so I'm sure if I try other kinds of candy, I could get like all different colors and flavors and everything. But there you go. That's the first time I made cotton candy in my whole life, and it was pretty good, and I did a good job. Hope you enjoyed the video.